basement flooded about 4 years ago, and it was like 3 or 4 inches of water at least in the basement. So for the last few years, we've been trying to figure something out. And then one of our cats got super sick, and of course she had a few accidents downstairs, which were on the carpet and did end up getting on the wall. My wife was doing some Googling, and you guys were highly recommended as far as ratings. And then we did ask about our local, and they had some recommendations for you guys as well. Sales representative came out, his name was Jeff, and he kind of walked us through downstairs what you guys can do and things like that, and we really liked it. He walked us through the entire process. Jeff talked about waterproofing it, and we thought this would be a great opportunity. The wall's going to be down, may as well do what we can now. So just a good opportunity. He wasn't ever pushy or anything like that. He was always like, it's up to you. He was very much trying to work with us. So as we didn't want something, he was happy to just take it off. I didn't feel pressured to add anything in. So it was a very good experience. And now that we're kind of refinishing it, we're planning to maybe add like a sofa or sectional and a TV, kind of really live up the space a little bit. They gave a call that they were on their way. I opened the door. Ryan was very friendly. We went downstairs. We re-talked about what the plan was, how it was going to go through. I asked him the steps, and he was glad to explain everything to me. They put down a rug throughout the whole way they were going to go. They put down some clear plastic on the stairs because there was still carpet there. They swept up after they were done, and everything looks better than when they got here. It was a very good experience doing the walkthroughs with them. Pointed out everything they did. If I had any questions, they would be happy to answer them. I didn't feel like they didn't care. They really cared about what I felt I was getting out of this. Everything we asked for was done correctly. Everything was perfect. It looked great.